Hey y'all, so today I wanted to do something that I haven't done in a very, very long time, like literally a year. I have not messed with my beads. So with that being said, since today's Friday and I need something really quick, we're going to do a Freaky Fast Friday thing. So let's get started. Okay, so what I want to do is pretty much make this really, really long necklace with some black beads, or I guess you would, yeah, black luster. And I got this Ming tree from, I already forgot who. It's been, like I said, it's literally been a year. I cannot think of any of my words right now, but if I remember, I will put it on the description below. And then some other little beads that I had from like 1,000 years ago. So, but pretty much, you want little accent beads. I'm getting some rondelles, 4x6. And, you know, there's some smoky quartz color, crystal. I'm not going to use the rose quartz crystal things, however which way you want to call them. But you know, like I said, I'm just gonna kind of just mix it up, and I'm gonna make it really, really long. To bead these, I have, okay, you can either, you know, just pick it one at a time if you want to, or not. What I'm gonna do is use this. I have not use this in literally a very long time. So, and I'll show you how to use this also. This is called a, oh, I have it in the tip of my tongue. Hold on, let me remember. Okay, now I remember. It's called Spin-N-Bead. Spin-N-Bead. Spin-N-Bead, because you spin it and then you bead it. So, but anyways, I'm going to show you how to use this if you have never seen this before. Like I said, it's actually really, really cool little gadget to have. And then of course, you know, your string, I'm just going to use regular old 15-pound string, that is 0.015 string, and of course cutters, some cutters to cut the string. I'm going to use this to scoop up the screen, the beads, and then this is the tool to use to pick it up. The needle to pick it up is kind of bent, but that's okay. So let's go ahead, let me go ahead and set up real quick, and then we'll get started. Alright, so let's get started. I went on ahead and I just threaded my thread into the needle. Like I said, this is the needle right here. It's a long J hook. It's you know, flexible but sturdy. And I'm gonna go ahead, get my the end of my string, my wire. And just to give you a heads up, I don't have all that awesome money that everybody else does that buys those bead stoppers. So this is my bead stopper. It's a binder clip, a mini binder clip. So I'm going to go ahead and snatch that little bad boy on there, so that way my beads won't fall off. If you have a bead stopper, you know, go ahead and use that. Or if you don't even have a binder clip either, all you got to do is, you know, get like your accent bead, for example. Get that, go in through one side, and then go in the same way. Oops, sorry. The same way, you know, and you already made yourself a little bead stopper, you know. Bam, there you go. Too easy. But like I said, I don't want to use my bead, so I want to use my binder clip because I'm awesome. That's why. And sorry if my voice sounds non-awesome right now because I have little allergies going on. So thanks to my somebody, one of my bees, one of my babies. I don't know who. I'll figure it out later. But anywho, all right. So with that being said, how to use this nice, awesome contraption. So all you do is you're pretty much, you know, the top part, it spins, and all you're gonna do is put your needle in and like slightly put it in, just slightly put it in like that, and whichever way the needle goes. So since I'm left-handed, the needle's facing towards the right. I'm going to spin it counterclockwise, so that way the beads can jump on here, and then just slightly guide it. See, slightly guide it, and then it'll all start coming up. See, and then that's how you string a whole bunch of beads on this nice, awesome contraption. So, but I gotta find the way that I normally hold it. Like I said, it's been a while. I don't. There it goes. I'm probably gonna have to do it like this. Yep. So just use this old contraption. See, there it goes. See, bam. I just beat it a whole bunch within like 3 seconds, and then just string it down. So do it again. Like I said, I'm left-handed, so I'm doing it backwards, but just do it whichever way feels comfortable with you, and then bring it up, bam. So just do that a whole bunch of times, or however many times you want. Like right now, what I can do is, well, god dang it, this stupid bead right there. Now I gotta break it. Okay, well, here you go. If you want to break a bead, just break it like this. Bam, too easy. All right. So I can go on and put in an accent bead right now. Let me go ahead and do that. Bam. And then just keep on doing that. So I am going to do some more, and like I said, it's super fast, you know. Especially if you have this and you don't really use this daggone thing a lot. So, and I have my wire, my string is 46 inches, just to give me some playroom, you know, some space to play with. And I'm not going to use any crimps or findings or anything like that. I'm just gonna go straight through and knot it up real good. So like I said, it's supposed to be a freaky fast project, and we don't have time to do all that when we're in a rush trying to get our dancing shoes on, because it's Friday night and I feel alright. Who knows about that? Who knows about that? No, we don't know about that. Only us old school knows about that. Alright, so I'm going to put in another accent. And it doesn't have to be no rhythm or rhyme or anything, you know. It's just something random, you know. So, like I said, I'm going to keep on doing this. I'm going to put this in fast speed mode, however which way you want to call it. And go from there. Alright, so I guess just watch me continue on. Alright, so all of this beading of 40, what did I say, 41 inches? Hold on, I gotta measure it. Let me measure it again. Yes, 41 inches of beads, but you know, I had like 46 inches of string, and I did all of that in 8 minutes, and that was because I had some distractions, and I haven't used this contraption in a very long time. So, with that being said, oh yeah, just one more thing. When you do use this, you will kind of have like a messy area. I don't know if you can see, but you see like the beads kind of just like splattered everywhere. So yeah, just kind of give you a heads up. You might want to do this like the way that I'm doing it on a bead mat. So, but anywho, so this is what it is now. Our nice little random long necklace. See? Ta-da! And let's go ahead and string them up. I should have left a longer tail, but obviously I didn't because I was so anxious to do this. Hold on real quick. Let me slide it down. There we go. So I just slid it down. And all I'm going to do is just do a basic knot. Just some basic knots. So that way I can get going because it's ready to get, well, for me it's getting late. And then of course with all my babies, I gotta keep up with all them, all my little babies. So, and just knot it up, and there you go. You got yourself an awesome, quick necklace that you can go out dancing till midnight, and there it is. Let me move all these contraptions out of the way real quick. Here, let's move out of the way. There we go. And there you go. It's a cute little necklace. There it is. See? And of course I'm gonna trim that, burn it off real quick. Actually, you know what? I can do it real quick right now. So maybe all in all, it took me about, with me, you know, trimming it up like right now and stuff, like 10 minutes to do all of this. And like I said, this is 41 inches of necklace. And let me go ahead and try it on. Alright, so let's try this out. Alright, yay! Ta-da! Got me a cute little necklace. Let me see. No, I didn't make it long enough to wrap around. But nice cute little necklace. Actually, you know what? I can do this if I wanted to. What? Here we go. Too easy. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this freaky fast Friday project. So don't forget to like, subscribe, all that other good stuff, what all the other YouTubers says, and I will see y'all in the next. Peace.